Summer in Switzerland is a splendid thing. The sun shines in a big blue sky, and the mountains wear their greenest coats. Little white clouds drift by, and the air is warm and clean, filled with the hum of bees. It's the perfect time for an adventure. I'd heard stories of the countryside, fields and farms bursting with life. The real magic, I was told, was hidden in the quiet valleys and rolling hills. The countryside calls with a gentle whisper, promising peace and a break from the bustle. Imagine waking to cowbells tinkling in the distance, a true Swiss melody. The houses, with wooden balconies and bright red geraniums, look straight out of a storybook. The fields are a patchwork of green and gold, stretching as far as the eye can see. I set out to explore this green paradise, basket in hand and curiosity in my heart. The Swiss summer isn't just about mountains and lakes, it's a time of abundance, when nature shares its sweetest gifts. I was ready to unwrap this gift and see what was inside. My search for fruit began on a narrow country lane, twisting through green hills. Fields of tall grass swayed gently, and cows grazed peacefully, their bells clanking softly. I followed a smaller, overgrown path, the air sweeter and tinged with something fruity. I felt like a detective on the trail of a delicious mystery. The path curved around a hill, and suddenly, through a gap in the trees, I saw it. Rows and rows of green, an orchard, several in fact, spread across a gentle slope. The trees reached for the sun, some tall and grand, others delicate. It was a hidden paradise, a secret garden not marked on any map. My little quest had led me to a truly special place. The journey had been as enjoyable as the destination. The rolling hills, quiet lanes, and gentle sounds of nature had set the stage. But this was the grand prize, a landscape dedicated to growing delicious things. I stood at the edge of the orchard, basket in hand, ready to step into this world of fruit. The adventure was about to get even better. Sometimes the best treasures are found off the beaten path. Stepping into the orchard was like entering another world. Bright red cherries, plump purple plums, and golden apricots dazzled in the sunlight. The leaves formed a lush canopy, sunlight making dappled patterns on the ground. The air was filled with a sweet, fruity perfume, a mix of all the orchard's treasures. I breathed in the smell of ripe strawberries, tangy plums, and fresh green leaves. It was the scent of summer and pure natural goodness. I picked a deep red cherry and popped it into my mouth. A burst of sweetness, a hint of tartness. Next, a sun-warmed apricot, honey sweet and delicate. Each fruit was a little explosion of taste, a perfect snack from nature. The textures delighted me. The smooth skin of a plum, the fuzz of an apricot, the crisp bite of a new apple. I ran my fingers over rough bark and soft petals. The whole experience was a treat for all my senses. It wasn't just about eating, it was about seeing, smelling, and touching this amazing world. Every sense was alive in the orchard. It was a full-body experience of joy. Sometimes the simplest pleasures are the most memorable. This was a proper feast for the senses. There's a special peace in picking fruit. You reach up, twist a ripe plum, cup raspberries gently, no rush, just you and the trees. The world slows down, filled with the rustle of leaves and the soft plop of fruit in your basket. My basket filled with the reddest cherries, softest apricots, and plumpest plums. A treasure hunt where every prize is delicious. I arranged them in a colorful mosaic, a masterpiece of nature's best. Sitting under a shady apple tree, I savored a juicy pear, sweet and dripping down my chin. This simple moment, fresh fruit, soft grass, bird song, felt like the greatest luxury. Picking fruit connects you to the earth and the food you eat. You appreciate the fruit more when you've picked it yourself. It's a rewarding feeling, a sense of accomplishment. As I stood to continue, I felt refreshed and content. This simple task filled me with a quiet joy. Sometimes the best breaks are the simplest. The fun of picking fruit is in its simplicity. It was a truly grand day out. As I wandered deeper into the orchards, I met an old man tending his trees. He wore a straw hat and greeted me with a cheerful gruezi. His name was Herr Schmidt, and he'd cared for these orchards his whole life. He showed me his favorite apple tree and taught me how to spot a perfectly ripe plum. His stories were a window into the orchard's history. He picked a special pear for me from a high branch, juicy, sweet, and unforgettable. We stood in the sun, eating pears and talking about the weather, bees, and simple things. Meeting Herr Schmidt was like finding another hidden treasure. Before I left, he filled a small bag with cherries for me. "For the road," he said with a smile. His kindness showed the generous spirit of the countryside. People here are connected to the land and happy to share its bounty. I thanked him for his stories and his fruit. Encounters like this turn a simple walk into a memorable experience. The people you meet can be the best part of any journey. A friendly face among the fruit trees makes all the difference. The variety of fruit in the Swiss countryside is astounding. Not just apples and pears, there were blackberries, red currants, and white currants, each with their own zing. I found peaches and nectarines, their skins blushing with color, promising sweet, juicy bites. Each tree offered a new shape, color, and flavor, a living catalogue of summer's best. Herr Schmidt had told me about old apple varieties you can't find in supermarkets. Some were perfect for pies, others for cider, and some just right for eating fresh. This dedication to preserving old varieties is part of Swiss fruit culture. My basket became a rainbow of deep purples, bright reds, sunny oranges, and golden yellows. Each fruit was a memory from my walk, a different discovery. The Swiss countryside had offered me a feast, a banquet of its finest fruits. It was more than just food. It was a collection of memories. I felt grateful for the abundance and the beauty all around me. Nature's generosity was on full display. As the afternoon sun dipped lower, I walked back, basket heavy and heart light. The day had been filled with simple pleasures, sun, landscape, fresh fruit, and a stranger's kindness. This is the true magic of the countryside. It teaches you to slow down and savor the moment. Picking fruit myself created a connection and appreciation I'd never felt before. The Swiss countryside brings you back to the basics, a grounding, peaceful experience. Among the fruit trees, all my worries melted away. The only focus, finding the next ripe cherry or perfect plum. The countryside is a sanctuary, a place to recharge and find balance. That evening, looking at my basket of fruit, I felt incredibly rich. Not with money, but with something far more valuable. A basket full of healthy food and a heart full of happy memories. The day was a simple adventure, but more rewarding than many grander trips. The Swiss countryside shared its sweetness with me, in its fruit and its way of life. The best things in life are often the simplest. A sunny day, a beautiful view, a fresh piece of fruit, and a friendly...
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel.